and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, in today's video, we are doing another Tipsy Ipsy unboxing, whatever. Tonight's wine is a sweet red called Winking Owl. You can get it for like 50 cents at Sam's Club. I'm just kidding. It's probably like $6, but still. Pretty good. This is the December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, and I am very excited to see what's inside of here. Ooh. So if you're excited to see me open this bag up and put some stuff on my face, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay. This one is like full of stuff, like full of it. And I feel like, okay, I'm just gonna dig in, okay? The first thing I grabbed is some sort of palettes. Ooh, okay, this is the Glam Light S'mores Highlighter and Contour Palette. I've never gotten anything from Glam Light in one of these bags before. This is a first. And I actually just ordered a Glam Light mystery box, and I actually think that this is in there. So if it is, I guess that one will be going into a giveaway because I do not need two. It's looking a little dark though. Is there only one shade of this? Okay, looks adorable, looks like graham crackers. And you have the shade Chocolate, Marshmallow, and Graham Cracker. That's pretty cute. That's pretty cute. So we're gonna be working with this today. Next in the bag, brushes, face brushes. Belle in Argent, never heard of that brand before. This one is a powder bronzer and buff brush, and this one is a hot blush and highlighter brush. Perfect, because we just got those. It's like they knew it or something. It's pretty good. Moving along, Aceology Brightening Treatment Mask. Ooh, looks like this. Use twice weekly for optimal results. Brightening treatment mask. That'll be nice. Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Ooh. Okay. I've never had anything from Kate Somerville either. Why not? You know? Ooh. Smells of oranges. I like that. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this as well. Okay, moving on. We've got one more thing. Oma Beauty Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. Okay. The packaging is nice and sleek. Ooh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy, so buttery. Diana on this shade. Wow. Okay, I'm going to quickly do the rest of my face and then we will come back to try out these items today. Everything on my face is from my project pan. I just did a recent update on that, so I will link that down below for you in case you're curious what's in my project pan. But I'm making some pretty good progress. I'm very excited because everything in here, like, I haven't really got to use a lot of. So Glam Light, I really only have one thing from them. I don't have anything from Oma. I always like to get new brushes. That's always fun, especially super soft ones that I know I'll get a lot of use out of. And Kate Somerville, never tried them. Not in my budget. So this is a pretty good bag. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to do a really simple look. I'm really just trying to try out these products tonight. So first off, the Glam Light S'mores Face Palette. And I, of course, am going to use the Bronze and Buff brush first. This looks pretty dark. I'm a fair lady, so let's give this a dip. And just go in lightly. It doesn't have a smell, so in case you were wondering about that, no, it does not. The brush is nice and soft. I can't tell if it's kind of gimmicky because of the chocolate bar thing or if it's actually good, you know? Okay, the next brush is the highlighter brush. All right, I'm thinking, okay, super light, super dark, super light, super dark, super light, super dark. I guess maybe I can go with the champagne color because I have champagne on my eyes. I don't know. Oh, man. Is this the only shade of this that they have? This just would not do for a darker lady or a lighter lady. Really, probably not even for me. It's a little too marshmallows. It's a really pretty shade. Let's do both. Why not? Wow. Wow. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Probably a little dark, but you know, you only live once, you know. I do like it. I think I will definitely get some use out of it, but I do have a lot of face palettes. I really don't reach for them all that much, so I mean, I'm glad to have it in my collection, but I probably wouldn't have purchased this on my own, you know? The last makeup item is the beautiful red lipstick in Diana. It's so creamy. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. She's creamy. Watch your teeth. That's all I'm saying. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. There she is. This one's a really wet formula. You really need to blot it. If you don't want it to go anywhere, because this will slip and slide all over the place. Okay, and there you have it. This is my completed look using everything I got in my December Glam Bag Plus. I paid $25 for all of this. I will put the total right here of what all of this stuff is worth. I get the every other month bag. Honestly, every single month of products like this, it's a little overwhelming for me. So I do every other month, $25, and I've been pretty happy with that. So that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.